Organic fertilizers can be derived from animal matter, animal manure, human manure, and vegetable matter. The base that BioLove uses for its fertilizer includes chicken manure, sawdust, mushroom dust, and oil palm decanter cake. It uses a state-of-the-art composting technology, the Bioplast Activator or BPA, which contains 25 types of superstrain naturally occurring beneficial microorganisms to produce a fortified organic fertilizer that binds chemical elements with beneficial microorganisms in organic matter. As such, all inorganic elements will be converted into a stable metabolite form which will be ready for plant intake. For instance, the nitrogen-fixing bacteria in BPA fixes atmospheric nitrogen and oxidizes the element into its highly assimilable forms for plant utilization. The BPA technology simulates what occurs naturally in the wild forest. Notice in the wild forest that all trees and plants are healthy without men gardening it with fertilizers. This is because microorganisms in the forest are able to capture nitrogen from the atmosphere and fix it for plant usage. The other strains can enhance the oxidation of phosphorus, potassium, and other minerals in order for plants to assimilate them better. When the inorganic elements are converted into organic compounds, they are more stable and become more readily available. It produces probiotics, which are substances that possess antimicrobial properties that are antagonistic to fungal, bacterial, and viral-borne diseases. And hence, the BPA fertilizer helps improve soil texture and promotes growth of soil organisms, as well as enhancing root growth and promotes healthy new shoots. As you can see in the video, there are piles of compost. Composting is an aerobic method of decomposing organic solid waste. The process involves decomposition of organic material into a humus-like material known as compost, which is a good fertilizer for plants. Composting organisms require 4 equally important ingredients to work effectively. 1. Carbon for energy. The microbial oxidation of carbon produces the heat. Secondly, nitrogen, to grow and reproduce more organisms to oxidize the carbon. Thirdly, oxygen, which is required for oxidizing the carbon. And last, we need water in the right amount to maintain activity without causing anaerobic conditions. As you can see in the video, a thermometer probe is constantly used to monitor the temperature during composting. Typically, during the thermophilic phase of composting, temperatures can reach 50 to 60 to even 70 degrees Celsius. However, it must not overheat, as overheating can kill off even the beneficial microorganisms. Active management of the compost pile is crucial and needed to maintain sufficient oxygen supply, the right temperature, and to maintain the right moisture level. Hence, you see the yellow vehicle in the video constantly manages and turns over the pile. In summary, organic fertilizers improve the soil's structure and workability. They do, however, take a slower time to work as nutrients are slowly released into the soil. However, it's a more natural way of farming. Inorganic fertilizers works fast, with its main ingredients being potassium and phosphorus. However, they are more prone to leaching, whereby overwatering may push them down beneath the roots where they don't do any good. Overuse may cause fertility to go down and can easily burn the roots or create a toxic concentration of salts if over-applied. Inorganic or synthetic fertilizers feed the plant, while organic fertilizers feed and condition and treat the soil, which makes it more sustainable in the long run.